What is shutter speed as it pertains to videography? Well, for video, shutter speed is responsible for the motion that we see frame to frame in our footage. And that's not all it's responsible for. Shutter speed also affects the overall brightness of our footage as well. The main rule to know here is that your shutter speed should be double your frame rate, aka the 180-degree rule. This rule is a standard in videography because it explains the relationship between frame rates and shutter speed when recording video. The idea behind it is to mimic motion the same way that the human eye experiences it in real life. So if your frame rate is 24 FPS, then your shutter speed should be 1/50, since I've never seen 1/48 as a shutter speed option. Likewise, if your frame rate is 60 FPS, then your shutter speed should be 1/120. Just do a little bit of basic multiplication and round up if need be. So what happens if we go above or below this setting? Well, if we go below this setting, like a shutter speed of 1/4, for example, then the footage will start to look very abstract and blurry. If we are above this setting, like a shutter speed of 1/250, for example, then our footage will start to look very jittery and intense. So to recap, just try to leave your shutter speed at double your frame rate because it's going to give you the most natural looking flow to your footage. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. Now that we've covered shutter speed as it pertains to video, next up is either aperture or ISO. So choose your own adventure and I'll see you there.